What do you think of as you watch the sky? Then goes on like this. We may see a clear blue sky with no clouds, or we may see clouds gathering gracefully. Or we may feel the warmth of the sunset and the wind at the time of evening. What is the most beautiful thing then? It could be the sky full of countless unidentifiable stars and the moonlight in the lens. They always bring our imagination to an alien space or help recall the old myth of ancient times. Most of us get to learn science, such as the distance of unacceptably faraway stars and the materials forming them when we start to lose interest in star-related imaginings and stories. However, our ancestors couldn't. They were in the position of exploring, not learning. I wonder how they thought watching the night sky. We don't even guess what our children think as they watch the stars. The sky, untouchable no matter how we get tired, was covering above their heads, not offering any kinds of hint for its identity. In the 7th century, the first king of our history, Seondok, ascended the throne, and even still then stars were shining to anyone. The light has such mysterious power in all ages that no one can bear beholding and studying of it. Like other countries, the Silla dynasty believed that there was some truth hidden in the stars. King Seondok made an observatory to find the answer of the night sky, which was full of questions. There is Cheomseongdae, the oldest observatory in the east, but also the oldest observatory existing in the world. In those days, astrology and astronomy were crucial areas. They were related to everything directing the country's policy and told fortune of the country. After the construction of Cheomseongdae, the records of observation increased tenfold over 100 years and became much more detailed. Stars observed at Cheomseongdae would help every field of work such as politics and farming. Cheomseongdae is one of the structures which lets us know our outstanding science at the time. It is truly a symbol of the Silla people who were eager to find the truth. Agriculture enabled humanity to achieve its very first revolution. In agricultural societies, the movement of stars was the principal guide for those who cultivate, and it was the principal calendar for hunters who had to follow game. Astrology and astronomy, which had predicted the future, became the letters derived from murals, and the letters became religions which contained their own love and traditions of respect. The laws which protect society started from those religions. They became a foundation of our fundamental curiosity about a limitlessly extending universe. It can be said that all of our intelligence came from watching stars. The reason why the Nobel Prize is so prestigious is perhaps it belongs to one who seeks truth. Literature for human affairs, physics for the laws of how things move, medicine for secrets of life, chemistry for materials consisting everything, and peace is a matter of course. Like this, all of our actions proposes in the pursuit of truth. The pursuit started from stars with no hints and now is revealing the facts of constantly growing universe. We can say confidently that Cheomseongdae of Silla is a sign of the beginning of humankind's thirst to knowledge. Our ancestors indeed pursued the truth more than anyone and were active truth seekers who embarked on the making the truth faster than anyone. Wherever in the world you go on stars, they're written one's own stories with one's own language. Every king's authority who tried to find the truth, every passionate couple's love, every hero's bravery, every sage's wisdom are recorded by drawing lines between the dots in the sky. Among them, in the history of Korea, that the oldest observatory existing in the world, Cheomseongdae, is standing on the place for much more than 1,000 years, which is 1,400. We can see whenever we want. Thank you.